Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen, and this will bring down a bunch of toggles. Now, one of them will be the one right here. Right now it says focus, but by first attempt it will give you like a different looking icon instead of whatever looks like a contact icon almost. You'll have like a mixture of several different ones, and I think it says something else than focus. I just don't recall what it is. The reason for that is because if you tap on the text, it actually gives you a lot of other options that you can activate in here. So it's not just limited to Do Not Disturb mode, but once you select something like Do Not Disturb mode, you can see it changes the icon right here, and we can tap on the icon now to turn it on and off at any time. Additionally, we can also click on the three dots right here and navigate into the settings, so we can customize how the mode will function. So for instance, we can change the notification settings for people, for apps, and some other things, set it up as a schedule. So I recommend going through this at least once, so you can obviously check it how it's set by default and maybe change things that you don't like. And as you've seen already, all you need to do, and went back to this icon. Okay, let's get back this one. There we go. So once you have it here, you can toggle it on and off if you click correctly, unlike me, at will. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.